Alright, so here we are, Tony Metal Art. Give you a quick preview on what's going on, what we got going on here. These are one of your rims on the trucks. You can see how bad these things got beat up on the outside. You see the difference from the outside here compared to the inside over here. Although it looks a little shiny because we acid washed it, it still has the there you go. Can you see the factory lines and the nicks and whatnot? So all that we take out, but also this area here is really bad. But that's nothing that we can't take care of. So here's what they do come out like once we're done. In this case, these areas here get hand rubbed with polish. But this is one of the trucks that we had to cut and we had to finish, and those go back on and we move along. So there's an after. Here's an after of some of the rims here. These are for the truck and the trailer. And then those are going back on this truck here. And we'll get the end caps on those tanks and the boxes and whatnot. So this is just a preview of what I got going on. I've been away for a while, so I just kind of want to keep in contact with the outer world and the polishing industry and whatnot. So you will be seeing a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, and a lot of live streaming. And I'll speak with you soon. Leave comments, whatever, likes, subscribe if I put this on YouTube and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll be talking to you soon. Tony Metal Art, sit.